At the beginning of every engineering project, there is one universal truth: clutter everywhere. Wire ko jungle, solder ko smell, and confidence 100%. So, here was the scenario. Our college tech fest, Yathartha, was 2 days away, and our work remaining was everything. Sleep, optional feature. So, obviously, we choose the classic engineering move: all nighter mode on. One human configuring Raspberry Pi, another person designing the line follow circuit, food for energy, not for taste, brain for running on caffeine and hope. Now comes the soldering phase. Everywhere, smoke everywhere. At one point, I inhaled so much solder smoke that even hallucinations were running in metaverse. After pain, struggle, and questionable life decisions, Raspberry Pi was logged in successfully. ML model run gone Nathalio, motivation back to 100%. Meanwhile, line follower assembly also complete. Every component individually works fine. Motors work, sensors work, controller works. So obviously, line follower doesn't move. At this point, we enter engineering detective mode. Multimeter nikale, measurements score, and boom, voltage drop. All current was being distributed from one single wire. Physics said, nice try, bro. Conclusion: system works in theory but fails beautifully in reality because we required a matrix board for even distribution of current. So we made the hardest decision. Showcase plan dropped. Painful, yes. Correct, also yes. Next phase: control manner. No rushing, no chaos. I redesigned the traffic light system so that all components actually fit. Then came traffic light, vehicle counter, ESP to video capture, and finally it worked after 2 days of effort. Then entered the final boss: 3D printing. Print boyo, but box leveling galat, pole cylindrical model unstable. It looked like a nightmare, and at the end, it was also unstable. Back to CAD, designed it, reprinted it, and this time, final outcome was awesome. Everything ready, components plug kare, OLED display window smaller than expected. Wow.